Hello everyone. In this video, we are asked to obtain the value for x that satisfies this equation. So the equation given to us is 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 3 raised to the power of x plus 1 minus 27. So at this point, we can express the equation as 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2 equal to 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 1 minus 27. So this becomes 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 9 open bracket 3 raised to the power of x equal to 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x minus 27. Now, let us move all the terms in the right hand side to the left hand side. So we have that this is 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 9 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x minus 3 times 3 raised to the power of x plus 27 equal to 0. So at this point, we can simplify these two. So we have it that this becomes 3 raised to the power of 2x minus 12 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x plus 27 equal to 0. So now we have that 3 raised to the power of x, open a bracket and close, raised to the power of 2 minus 12 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x plus 27 equal to 0. Now, what I did here, if I have a raised to the power of m multiplied by n, this can also be expressed as a raised to the power of n or multiplied by m, or a raised to the power of m or multiply by n. So now we can substitute for the value of 3 raised to the power of x. So we have it that let p be equal to 3 raised to the power of x. So the equation now in terms of p becomes p squared minus 12p plus 27 is equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation in terms of p. So we have to obtain the solution for this quadratic equation. So first, we look out for two numbers that when we add them, the result gives us negative 12, but when we multiply them, the result gives us positive 27. So the two numbers are negative 9 and negative 3. So we have p squared minus 9p minus 3p plus 27 equal to 0. So this simply becomes p open bracket p minus 9 minus 3 open bracket p minus 9 is equal to 0. So we have that p minus 3 multiplied by p minus 9 is equal to 0. So therefore, we have it now that p minus 3 is equal to 0, or p minus 9 is equal to 0. So p is equal to 3, or p is equal to 9. But if you recall, we said that let p be equal to 3 raised to the power of x. So for p equal to 3, we have it as 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power of x. So remember that p have an invisible one here. So x is equal to 1. Also, for p equal to 9, we have it that 9 is equal to 3 raised to the power of x. We can express 9 in base 3. So we have 3 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 3 raised to the power of x. So x is equal to 2, because since their bases are the same, the powers should be the same. So therefore, x equal to 1 or s equal to 2 satisfies our equation. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like this video. And also, if you found the channel helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share the video so that others can benefit from this knowledge. I will see you in my next video. Bye.